The new and improved MyAussie has just arrived. Here's 5 things you can now do with your MyAussie app. 1. Track usage details for the current month. You can view usage for your NBN and mobile services, as well as keep track of any usage and purchases on your fetch service. 2. You can use MyAussie to diagnose and troubleshoot your NBN connection. If the diagnosis shows a fault with your service, you can lodge a fault within the app and then track the progress of your fault resolution. 3. Keep up to date with any outages and scheduled maintenance in your area. 4. You can order new services such as fetch and mobile SIMs, as well as making changes to your current services, including plan changes and relocating your internet service. 5. You'll be able to view your bills and then make a payment or arrange a payment plan if needed. Get the MyAussie app now on iOS and Android app stores, or log in through our website at aussiebroadband.com.au. If you're an Aussie customer, your login details can be found in the Welcome to Aussie Broadband email when you connected with us. You can also recover your login details from our friendly customer service team. Download the MyAussie app today.